Do you want to know how to earn money online for free in India? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and here on my YouTube channel I'm often asked about ways to earn specifically in certain countries, and in this video I will focus on free ways to earn money online when you live in India. But if you do not live in India, then do not worry, I keep making videos about different countries, and I also already have plenty of videos about earning methods in other countries, and I will leave a link to a playlist with other videos in other countries in the top corner of this video here. But if you're from India, then let's now go over some great free earning methods that you have there. So before I go over 7 real ways to start earning right now when you live in India, I just want to set the expectations so you know if this is the right opportunities for you or not. Because what you need to know about making money online is that there are plenty of opportunities also in India. But if you're looking for ways where you can start earning right now completely for free, then there definitely also are a lot of opportunities, as I will show you in this video here. But those methods are not something that will make you rich, of course. You will not in general become rich overnight by working online. That's just not how it works. Any person or website that claims that you can just do a few clicks or become rich overnight, they are trying to scam you. So that's important to know, but there definitely are real ways to earn, and the methods I'm going to show you here are all really realistic ways to earn right now, starting today. And no, they will not make you a living or anything like that, but if you put in enough effort and combine the different earning methods, it can give you some really nice earnings on the side. And as I mentioned, you do not have to invest anything, and you can join these methods no matter your background and no matter what your interests are, because I will show you 7 different methods, so there's something for you no matter your interests. So with the expectations set correctly, let's now go over these 7 earning methods. So the first earning method I want to go over is by taking paid surveys. And you actually have quite a lot of opportunities for taking paid surveys in India if you just know which sites to join, because it's not all sites that will give you good opportunities, but I have on my website a list of a lot of really great paid service sites for India that have specific panels also for India with plenty of service. I have right now more than 30 opportunities there, and I also keep updating this list when I come across more great service sites for India. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning some extra cash online, and you have your opinion heard at the same time. And many of the service sites also have a very low payout threshold, so you can quickly get your earnings out, and you can also get paid in cash on many of these sites. So if you're interested in joining paid service sites, then as mentioned, I have on my website a list of more than 30 great service sites for India, and I will leave a link to the full list below here so you can go there and check that out if this is the right opportunity for you. But let's also continue with some other earning methods in case that paid service is not for you, or in case you just want to combine it with other earning methods as well. A great free earning method is to join different data entry platforms where you can earn by doing all kind of small data tasks. It can, for example, be to draw boxes around images that helps train artificial intelligence. It can be transcriptions. It can be different data collections. It can be to review phone calls and all kind of things like that. And there are actually quite a lot of platforms you can join from India and find plenty of tasks there. And also here on my website I have a full list of the best data entry sites, and I will of course also leave a list to the full list below this video here, so you can go and check that out and see some examples of data entry platforms that you can join completely for free, of course, and start earning. Some of the platforms will require a little bit of effort to get started, but there are also data entry platforms where you can start earning right away without any further training. But if you put in some effort, it can build up to quite a nice extra income here. The next earning method is one that I'm very often asked about, and that is by watching videos, because yes, you can actually earn by watching videos online, but you will not earn several dollars per video or anything like that. There are some scam sites that claim you can do that as long as you just invest $1,000 or something like that. Stay away from any site that wants you to invest to earn by watching videos, because those sites are just scams. But there are several free sites that will offer you to watch videos. In many cases, it will actually pay you to watch ads during the videos or in between, but you can in many cases just let it run and then earn a bit extra. this is not a very effective way to earn because there will not always be videos available. And even when they are, they do not pay a lot. So it requires you to watch quite a lot of videos to just earn $1 or $2 or something like that. But if you like watching videos, then why not earn a little bit extra at the same time? And there are plenty of platforms that offer this opportunity, as I mentioned. And of course, I also have more information both here on my YouTube channel and on my website about platforms where you can earn by watching videos. And I will leave links to that below here also, as I will leave links to all the other information I mentioned here in this video so you can easily learn more. The next earning opportunity I want to go over is different passive income apps, and one such opportunity is Honeygain, and here you can just earn by sharing your unused internet. So you actually do not have to do anything once you have installed it. Just by letting it run in the background, you will earn a bit of extra money. It will not give you huge earnings, but as mentioned, you do also not have to do anything. This is however only relevant if you have a really good internet connection and unlimited internet plan, because if you pay per gigabyte you spend, then it will not really be profitable. But if you have unlimited internet, a really fast connection, then it can be a way to earn passively. And specifically about Honeygain, a great thing is that if you join through an invitation link, you will get a $5 joining bonus. So right after you sign up, you will have $5 in your account. And I have such an invitation link on my website, and I will of course leave a link to that below here. So if you decide to check out Honeygain, then make sure to join through that link so you will get those $5 into your account right away. But there are also other similar passive income apps and platforms you can use. And I will also leave links to a full list I have of different passive income opportunities, so you can find more options if you think this sounds like the right opportunity for you. Next we have captcha solving, and I am right now on one of the popular captcha solving sites, and here you can get paid just by solving captchas. You just need to know here that some of them are images, some are text, and all this here. Usually there's a time limit for each of them. This is just a quick example of showing you, but what you need to be aware of is that usually, as you can see here, you need to solve 1,000 captchas to earn. In this case, you would then earn 25 cents. In some cases it's more, in some cases less. That depends on the platform. What is great about captcha solving sites is that there are always plenty of tasks you can do, but what is not so great is that, as you can see, it requires a lot of captchas to just earn a few dollars, and you can end up spending many hours to just earn $1. So it's not a super effective way to earn, but I'm very often asked about captcha solving site and if it's a legit way to earn. And yes, it is if you join the legit sites. There of course also are scams, but I have more information about captcha solving and also some examples of some legit opportunities on my website, and will of course leave links to that below here. But you just need to be aware that it's not something that is easy money, because it requires quite a lot of effort, but you can get started right away and you will always be able to find tasks if you join captcha solving sites. The next earning opportunity is PTC, meaning pay to click, because this is also a very popular free earning method because it's so easy. You basically just go to a platform that offers it and click view, and ad would pop up and you have to watch it for 10 or 30 seconds or something like that, and then you will get your earnings. So it's definitely very appealing, but I'm very often asked about high paying PTC sites, and the reality is just that PTC will not earn you a lot. There are not as such any high paying PTC sites. In many cases you will have to click somewhere between 200 or 300 and even up to 1,000 ads to earn just $1. And on some sites, if you're not aware and do not know exactly what you're doing, you can actually end up wasting money, because many PTC sites encourage you to pay to upgrade, and if you do not know exactly what you're doing, you can end up losing money. So I would encourage you not to pay to upgrade on any of these PTC sites if you are a beginner. But there are also sites that do not really encourage that, and where you can earn just by clicking these ads. You just need to be aware that it would require quite a lot of effort. But on my website I also have a full PTC guide that explains everything about pay-to-click sites, so you know exactly how they work and what to be aware of if you want to get the most out of it. And of course I will leave a link to that below this video here if you want to know more about this earning opportunity. So the last free earning method in India I want to go over is by playing games, because that can be a really fun and interesting way to earn a bit of extra money on the side. There are plenty of platforms and apps that will actually pay you just to play games. Again, it's not a way to make a living or anything like that, but if you like playing games, for example on your phone, as the platform here I'm showing you now, AppKarma, is offering, then why not earn a bit extra at the same time? AppKarma is a great option in India because you can download it, of course, for free, download some games, and every time you play them you will earn some extra and you will get some great extra bonuses. And also if you join through an invitation link, then you can get a joining bonus, and I have a special VIP invitation link, so if you join through my invitation link you will get 500 points into your account right away just for signing up. And I will of course leave links to more information below here and a full list of platforms you can join to earn by playing, and there you can also find this joining links so you can get your free points if you decide to test out AppKarma. But on that list there's also other opportunities, so if you really want to join a lot of different platforms and spend a lot of time playing games and earn that way, then there is plenty of information there, so make sure to check that out. So as you can see, there are plenty of different ways to earn completely for free if you live in India. No matter your interests and preferences, there definitely are ways to earn. You just need to do it with the right expectations. If you want to build a full-time income, then these methods are not the right option for you, but they can be a great way to earn some extra side cash, and they can also be a great way to earn some extra cash that you can then put into building a full-time income. And all these platforms I showed you here are methods where you can start earning already today. And if you want more information about any of these methods, or also if you're interested in information about what it actually requires, if you're interested in building up a full-time income, then I have all that information on my website, and I have plenty of other information here on my YouTube channel, and I will leave links to all the platforms I mentioned here in this video here and all the earning opportunities below this video here. So make sure to check that out, and then you will very quickly start earning some extra cash online from India. And then feel free to share in the comments below here what your results are and which earning methods you prefer and what your experiences are with the different earning opportunities. I would love to hear that. And if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.